friends. Today I'm not beading, I'm grocery shopping. It's a Friday and in the beautiful city of Dhaka, Friday is usually very calm. The pace is slower. People are gorgeously dressed. Of course, it's Friday. So I tend to do my shopping. The shopping malls are quiet on Fridays. There is very few people. So today is mostly vegetable and meat shopping. So I'm starting with the fruit section, the apples, then the legumes, the tomatoes. It was really quiet. We were more like 5 to 10 people in the whole shopping mall, and it's really, really big. So I tend to do my buying on Fridays. Everything is well stocked, it's fresher because a lot of people tend to do their shopping on Saturdays. So Wednesdays or Fridays are perfect for me. So here I am selecting an apple. I'm going to make an apple tart for this weekend. So I was debating between the big red ones or the smaller red ones. That was what I was debating. So I was going back and forth. Also, I'm happy to announce that this channel, it's a part of the YouTube partner program now, and you can support as much as you can. That would be really appreciative. I'm very grateful for your support, your subscription, your likes, your gifts, your comments. They will help to encourage me to put more tutorial videos on my beading channel. I've been getting a lot of comments in the comment section, really encouraging comments. I'm really, really grateful that you took the time to watch the beading tutorial videos from the beginning to the end, and you really appreciated the finished design I made with the beads. Also check out my live stream section. There's really some fun videos there. So I'm really grateful to you, my subscribers. And if you're seeing this channel for the first time and are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscription button and turn on your notification bell. So when I put up any videos, you'll be the first to come across the video. So I'm still grocery shopping. I'm going to go to the salon after the prayers. Usually when they finish the praying, people go for lunch for about 2-3 hours, and then you can go to the salon. Even if I can't do my hair today, I will probably do it tomorrow or Sunday, so my scalp can breathe from the tension. So I'm still selecting fruits. I have to be careful not to select all of them too ripe because it's going to be fruit shopping for the whole week. So I have to select them really very ripe, medium ripe, and the one that I've just starting to be ready for eating. That's how I usually select my fruits. And then I'm going to move to the tomato section and finally the meat section. So those are the few things I'm buying today, as I still have other items in stock in my kitchen. So I hope your Friday is going well. Mine is really going well. It's slow pace. I'm really taking my time today because my week has been very hectic, so I'm taking it slow. Today I'm doing my chores gradually. And also I can bead more now because I have a cleaning lady, so most probably I won't be cleaning for a very long time, and she's really very helpful. So I can do other things. I can put up more designs from this channel. I can put up more of my day-to-day activities, so you can get to know me and not just the beading. You can get to know who is behind the beading. And that's the end of the shopping. So I'm spending the afternoon on the seaside. I'm somewhere on the seaside. So I'm taking it slow, just relaxing. You can see how quiet the city is because most people have gone for the praying. So it's really peaceful, it's really calm. So I spent about 30 minutes here just relaxing. I didn't do any cooking today. I'll be ordering takeaway for myself and the family. So like I said, today is a really slow paced day. I decided to do it that way because the week has been very hectic and I didn't sleep much. I was trying to keep to